Welcome back, guys, with another video. But these people were here, these two dudes, they are staring at us, kind of weird. Yeah, back with another video. Going to Cars and Coffee down somewhere in Houston, over that way. We had, like, I don't know, Tristan found this group, so we're about to head out. We all just met up, got some energy and shit, and now we are leaving. I don't have a quad lock, so I am not the leader anymore. Thank God. I hated leading. But yeah, we're gonna see what this meet is about. Usually they're good. Yeah, I'm tired of people always canceling, dude. Like, we always tell them we're going. They're like, yeah, we'll be there, and then we never hear from them. They just don't show. It's just me and Tristan. Hopefully this meet turns out pretty good. Oh, dude, I think I'm just getting used to my stabilizer, because my stabilizer, even on 8, dog, it does not feel stiff anymore. Like right now, like it feels nimble still. But I think that's just me getting used to it. I don't know. Oh my God, I'm so tired. I can hear myself mumbling. Gonna get him. Damn, he gets hurt. Oh my God. It's always fun moving, man. That time, though, Tristan, you know, last night this dude said, yeah, we're gonna take it easy. The first thing he does is take off, dude. Fun, bro. Let's get it. Now we have to wait for everyone because we just took off. Okay. What? What? I'm kissing the front of my helmet right now because the wind. Texas! Woo! Texas! Okay. I see brakes, I see brakes, I see brakes, I see brakes. Oh! Choo-choo! 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 Oh shit! I can't get my phone in my pocket! That's pretty cool. They have a lift. I want a GT series so bad. Damn, it's dusty as fuck. God damn, dude. Look at the bronze, bro. The wing. Ooh. Look at that. Bro, I want it. The more I look at cars, the more I become in love with Porsches. Porsche. Oh, look at that. The Hennessy. Oh, here's some American muscle for you. Ooh. Man, dude, he even paint matched the Brembos. Ooh, this is beautiful. Black on black on black. Excuse me, fuckers. Holy crap. How much money do you think all this is? And just in this one section. More than I can afford. I can't even afford one. Wow. Ooh. I can't bob my head too. Alright, I'm done with people. Too many people. My social status, even though I haven't talked to anyone, has depleted. Get out of my way. This color, my favorite color probably on Porsches.
You like left and I couldn't even like register what happened. I was like, where'd you go?
Yeah, that was a good meet, man. A lot of nice cars that I want. I really enjoyed that. Favorite car there, definitely that, I don't know what color you call it, that tealish Porsche, the GT2. Bro, that thing, chef's kiss, baby. Merca, baby! Merca. Probably gonna end the video here, guys. We're both tired. We're playing the safe route. A lot of cops. We're trying to be more responsible with what we're doing. But yeah, if you like what you see, hit that like button, subscribe, comment. Let me know what you think and stuff like that. I want to know your feedback. Let me know what y'all want to see. Like I said, I do have content that I need to make. I just need to find the time to do it. Yeah, it's as simple as that. So if you, like I said, if you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe, and I will catch you on the next one. Peace out. Ride your ride, guys. Mwah.